How to apply for HDFC credit card? First of all, go to applyonline.hdfcbank.com to start the credit card application process. Next, enter your mobile number and date of birth. If you don't have your date of birth, you can use your PAN number instead. After that, you will receive an OTP on a registered mobile number. Enter it to verify your details. Then, enter your personal details such as name, gender, PAN number, email address, employment type, company name, your designation, GSTIN, along with your mailing address. Fill in your address manually or let it autofill if linked with your account. Note that certain options like student or housewife may only be available if you have a pre-approved offer on your account. Now, based on your profile and profession, choose a credit card that suits your needs. You will see options like business cards, money back cards, or shopping cards with different benefits and charges. Next, enter your office address and submit the application. The final step is verification. If you are an HDFC customer, verify your details using net banking or your debit card by entering your card number and ATM PIN. Once submitted, you will receive confirmation of your application status within 2 to 4 days. And that's it. Now you know how to apply for an HDFC credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.